Have you ever learned something the wrong way and never realised it? That happens to millions of drivers every single day, not because they're careless, but because they copied someone else. Most people don't learn to drive from professional instructors. They learn from parents, friends, or simply by watching other drivers. The problem is, bad habits spread just as easily as good ones. If the person teaching you rests one hand on the steering wheel, you probably do it too. If they never check their mirrors properly, you'll think that's normal. If they take corners too fast or coast through stop signs, those habits quietly become yours. And after years of repeating them, they no longer feel wrong, they feel natural. That's one of the biggest psychological traps in driving. Your brain mistakes familiar for correct. Just because you've done something 1,000 times doesn't mean it's the safest way to do it. Think about how many drivers hold the steering wheel however feels comfortable, or only glance at mirrors for a split second, or keep their foot resting lightly on the brake pedal in traffic. None of these habits usually cause a problem, until the one day they do. Because driving isn't tested by routine, it's tested by the unexpected. The sudden child crossing the road, the driver who changes lanes without looking, the car that stops instantly in front of you. In those moments, your habits take over, not your intentions. So here's a challenge. The next time you drive, don't ask yourself, "Am I comfortable?" Ask yourself, "Am I doing this correctly?" Because comfortable habits can still be dangerous. The safest drivers aren't the ones with the most years behind the wheel. They're the ones who are willing to question the habits they've had for years. And sometimes, becoming a better driver doesn't mean learning something new. It means unlearning something old.